We'll show you how to turn off the auto answer feature on your iPhone. This feature can be useful, but it might not always be necessary. Let's walk through the steps to disable it. Before we start, please remember to like the video and share it. Thank you a lot. Unlock your iPhone and locate the Settings app. It looks like a gear icon and is typically found on your home screen. Tap to open it. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Accessibility. This will open a menu with various accessibility options to help customize your device's usability. Within the Accessibility menu, find and tap on Touch. This will open settings related to the touch interface on your iPhone. In the Touch settings, scroll down until you see Call Audio Routing. Tap on it to open its settings. Under Call Audio Routing, you'll find the Auto Answer Calls option. Tap on it to proceed. In the Auto Answer Calls menu, you'll see a toggle switch. If Auto Answer is enabled, the switch will be green. Tap the switch to turn it off. The switch should now be gray, indicating that Auto Answer is disabled. Go back to the main Accessibility menu and verify that Auto Answer Calls are turned off. This ensures that your settings have been saved correctly. If you encounter any issues, try restarting your iPhone. Press and hold the power button until you see the Slide to Power Off slider, then Slide to Turn Off. After the iPhone turns off, press and hold the power button again until the Apple logo appears. And that's it. You've successfully turned off the auto answer feature on your iPhone. This should give you more control over how and when you answer calls. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. As always, if you have any questions or requests for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.